Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video about Western Union, how to set up the online register Western Union profile, send money anywhere in the world and track your money online faster. Hi guys, first I'm going to Google and typing Western Union, then click that Western Union. You can see that first link Western Union, send and track money online, money orders, benefits of using, you can do money order too with profile that when you set up online. Okay, first link you can click that Western Union, send and track money online. That Western Union link from that Google, you can see that pre $0 pre on your first time transfer. I want to talk about Western Union, $100 to Mexico. You can see that you save $199 US on a fee. Receiver get 1,689.61 cents Mexican peso. Okay, you can send money through Western Union app, send money to anywhere in the world, more than 200 countries you can get for the access. I'm going to click that send money, going to be pop up screen like that, create web profile, register now and get a bit exchange rate and 0p on your first online transfer. You can put the email and create password. I come in this one later. Then I'm gonna go back. Now I'm talk about pick up cash. Gonna click this one. Pick up cash much faster. You need to fill out forms anymore. That's all passion. You go to stores and fill up the all forms and send money to someone. That's take a time, but today I'm going to set up that online profile. Then much easier and much faster. You can send money and track money faster. Okay, if you send some money to receiver, need bring a photo ID and MTCN. MTCN number. This is a 10-digit money transfer control number. MTCN number. If someone send money with Western Union, get the this MTCN number with your receipt. Then you have to send that number to receiver. Then receiver get the photo ID with the MTCN number. Then he can get the money faster. Same thing. Track transfer. I'm the sender. Then I'm a receiver. You can track that MTCN number. Same thing when I was talking about that 10-digit number. Pay bill section. So also you can pay bills with the Western Union, pay bills online. Alright guys, I want to talk about this section, how to send money. So you have two options how to send money to receiver. So also talk about MTCN number, that's cash pickup. So if you send money to someone, so he get the MTCN number, then photo ID, go to the location, Western Union location, then he can pick up the money. Or either you can send money bank, receiver bank to directly. This is a popular, but this one also easier one, cash pickup with the MTCN number. Or you can send money directly to that receiver bank account. Talk about that. The second part, how would you like to pay? You can pay online. So you have many options to pay. You can pay credit card, debit card, bank account, or Google Pay. Okay, that's about this section. Talk about how to send money online and receive get that two option, cash pickup or bank account. I'm going to talk about that help center. If you have any question, you can ask from Western Union online chat. New to money transfer, if you chat with them, then you can get the answer. Or you can ask additional Western Union services, protect you from the fraud. If you have any fraud, you can complain, protect yourself from fraud. If you have more time, you can click and read how do I report fraud. Then you can get any idea how to complain or how to report that fraud. So all answer and question over here. Okay, if you have sending a large amount to someone, then you can get more details about this section. Helping with the existing transfer, Western Union shop, privacy, schedule transfer reminder, money order. This is a important part. Money order. If someone need to send money to someone, money order, then all question you can click and read it and get idea about the money orders. That troubleshoot, if you have any troubleshoot, westernunion.com, you can click and get the more details. Additional question you can ask, track your transfer status, check pricing and exchange rate, send money, cancel transfer, check transfer history, and change receiver name. Okay, now I'm going to set up the sign up for the Western Union. Sign up, you can see that, click on, then create your profile. Okay, enter your email, create your password. Okay, you enter your email address and a password, click register. Okay, next page you're getting like that. Enter your PIN number. To protect your profile, we send a 4-digit PIN, your email address, verify your email address. This PIN will remain valid for the next 72 hours. They're sending a 4-digit PIN number, then we have to enter right here. If you haven't received that, you have to check your spam folder, then you can get the PIN number. Okay, I'm going to my email and get the PIN number to enter right here. Guys, after enter that 4-digit PIN number, I get in that page. Complete your profile. We are required to collect additional information. Please enter your name exactly as it appears on your government issue ID. First name, middle name, surname, last name, mobile number, then your date of birth, your home address, and postal code, city, state, then continue. Okay, after enter that name and address, I get in this page. You can see that protect yourself from fraud. Online use Western Union, send money to friend and family. Believe that you are the victim of the fraud, call Western Union fraud hotline. You can see that hotline, then accept. Okay, after accept, you get in page like that. So receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, address line, city, state, pin code, email address, phone number, receiver's bank account information. Okay, account number, bank name, account number, re-enter account number, purpose for transfer. Then you can select which one, family, maintenance, savings, credit, NRE account, and then you can continue. So I put the example like that to send $1. So I know you send more than $1, then you can see that transfer for anywhere in the world. So if you send any country for receiver, then you can transfer that chart. You can get you can figure out how much you send him money, then how much receiver get that details. All right, that's the detail. Then you can continue. Alright guys, now I'm ready to transfer money to another country. So this is a brand new account. Congratulations, your first transfer fee is on us. Continue sending to secure your zero transfer fee now. I want to money back there, so my sister living in Sri Lanka. Then I'm gonna find out the country. So normally you can scroll down or you can type in your country. Alright, I find out Sri Lanka. You can send money, send up to 30,000 US dollars. Okay, I want to test this is a brand new account, then I'm not sending big money right now, so I want to transfer $30 bank account and transfer credit card, debit card, or bank account right now. So I have a bank account, her bank account, then I go to transfer bank account, click again, then continue. Most of our transfer are delivered to 0 to 1 business days. Continue. You can see summary exchange rate, 1 US dollar 361.97 Sri Lankan rupees. Transfer amount 30 US dollar. Transfer fee 0. This is a brand new account, then they give 0 transfer fee. Transfer total 30 US dollars. My sister taking 10,859 rupees. 0 to 5 business days. Okay, everything clear. Okay, you have to fill up information, receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, city, email, phone number, receiver bank account information. Then you can continue. Guys, now I put all the information about the bank details. Then I have to pay with my bank. They're asking add your new bank account, online bank. So manual bank entry to add and continue paying. So I'm going to find out the bank. Alright, I go with All National Bank. About signing into online banking, this secure connection All National. Your bank login information cannot be seen by Western Union. Or everything else secure, nobody can see. I mean, Western Union cannot see your bank details. Alright, then I'm going to put my bank details over here and agree and sign in. Okay, this final part, then you can continue to transfer money in another country